Hi folks, it's Mike Murphy, and today's quick tip is in Adobe After Effects CC 2021. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy property links from one layer and paste them onto other layers. So what we're going to do is add a color fill to this main logo. We're going to copy the property links to all these other copies over here. So every time we change the color of this main logo, all of the smaller logos on the right side will update automatically. First, I'm going to add some color to this logo. To do so, I'm going to select the layer, come up to the Effects and Presets, and do a search for fill. So we're looking for the Generate Fill. I'm just going to click on this and drag it right onto that layer. I'm just going to click on the color swatch and change it to my logo color orange. I'm going to twirl open the main logo layer, twirl open Effects, then Fill. I'm just going to click on the color property because that's the only one that we really want to control. So I'm going to copy it by going to Edit, Copy with Property Links. There's also a keyboard shortcut, Option Command C if you're on a Mac, Alt Ctrl C if you're on Windows. So I'm just going to click on that to copy the property links to the clipboard. So now we just need to paste those property links onto the smaller ones. So I'll select one of the logos over here on the right side, hold the Shift key, click on the other one so they're all selected. Go to the Edit menu, choose Paste, or just use the keyboard shortcut Command V. So now I'm going to select the main logo on the left side, come up to the Effects Controls. If I click on the color swatch now, whatever color I change for the main logo, all of the smaller copies on the right side are going to update automatically. You can also copy the transform properties. So if you were to add some animation, for example to the rotation, I'll just click on the stopwatch here. We'll just add a little random rotation here. I'll copy the first keyframe, Command C, and paste that back. So now we've got this little rotation here. If I wanted to copy that onto all the other ones, I do the exact same thing. I'm just going to select the rotation in the main logo, go to Edit, Copy with Property Links, select all of the smaller logos. We'll go back up to Edit, and go to Paste, or just use Command V. Now if I drag the playhead back and hit the spacebar, you're going to see they all animate exactly as the main logo did. When you copy the property links from one layer to another, so if I go to the second layer and tap on EE, Adobe After Effects is going to write an expression each time you copy and paste a property link. So if you wanted to remove the fill property, all you would have to do is just delete that expression, and now you would be able to control that layer independently for that main logo. And if you run into a problem where you go from one composition to another composition and the property links aren't working the same, all you need to do when you go to the Edit menu, instead of choosing Copy with Property Links, choose Copy with Relative Property Links. And that is how you copy property links in Adobe After Effects CC 2021. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.